It's the PGDLOF wireless transmitters. They come in a little compartment like this, and let's see what we have first of all. What we've got two microphones, and these are not too bad. You know, as far as size goes, I thought they might be too large when I was looking at them online. They're a little bit larger than the professional lavalier mics that I've used before, but I don't think these are going to be too bad. You can use these simultaneously, keep that in mind, simultaneously. So you can have two hosts, you can have one host, and then the other one can pick up ambient noise, whatever you want. We've got 3 clips. Thank you for giving us an extra one. It looks like the clips go right on pretty easily. And then you can clip that right into your lapel. These seem sturdy. The clip feels like it's solidly placed against the mic, and it looks like it'll remain solid for a lot of use of being, clipped onto a lapel or a collar or whatever need might be. And then we have the receiver. The receiver goes directly into the lightning port of your iPhone. It's plug and play, basically. There's no app needed. It'll work just fine with your iPhone video software. And let me just throw in this real quick. We do get one charging cable that's USB-C on one end that goes right into the side of the microphones. Yeah, it would have been nice to have 2 of these since we have 2 mics, but it's not a deal killer because I have plenty of these, back there that I can use. So I want to do a sound check so that you can hear the difference between that iPhone that you're listening to me now and the microphones. So you're listening to me right now about 3 feet away from an iPhone 14 onboard mic. What we do mostly is cooking demonstrations. So there are a lot of different variations that can affect the audio quality if we're only using an onboard mic on the camera. For example, I look down a lot like this and then look up. Donna might come closer to me or step back farther away. There might be times where she's 20 feet away if I'm walking through an open market or something like that. Obviously, we would need mics for that. There's times when I'm looking this way or looking that way. So there's a lot of variations, physical variations that comes with your microphone being on your camera. So what I'll do is now I will plug in the mics and we'll see what the difference is in sound. So I'm just going to use this other microphone to show you how to turn it on. There's a power button here. Quick. Not quick enough. There we are. So that was quick. That was a quick. Once you get the green light, that means it's transmitted. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off so we don't have 2 mics during this test. And there you are. Now we're just down to 1 mic. I'm trying to keep my voice level about the same as what it was. I've got this clipped on. The green light is on, so it's working. Double check. Yes, it is. Green light's working. So again, if you're active during your video, if you're looking down, looking up, this type of thing, if your camera operator is moving back and forth, this sound should remain constant. Donna can be 20, 30 feet away. That will work. That's one of the features of having wireless mics that are nice. So this is the sound that we have. So what I want to do now is just go quickly back to the iPhone onboard, just so you can see the difference in the sound. And here we are back to the onboard iPhone mic. I'm trying to keep my voice level about the same as it was earlier, but this gives you a chance to hear what these microphones sound like compared to an onboard mic. For the most part, so far so good. I know in the reviews, others have said that if you're just using one mic, like I'll be using most of the time, keep one charged all the time. Be mindful of turning them off when you're not using them so you can conserve battery. You may or may not have the opportunity to charge them when you're out in the field or someplace like that. So just be mindful of the energy they're using. We're back on mic here. The PGDLOF wireless mics, you get 2 of them. They both can work simultaneously. You're supposed to get about 2 hours of charge. You only get 1 cable for charging, but I don't see that as a problem. There you have it.